2026 Sherco 500 SEF Factory, pleasure without limits. 1. Design and styling. Sherco's 2026 lineup carries the motto, pleasure without limits, and the 500 SEF Factory arrives with fresh graphics and the brand's iconic blue plastics that stand out in any terrain. 2. Factory-level components. The Factory Edition comes with premium upgrades over the standard SEF. Full Akrapovic exhaust system, boosts throttle response and delivers a race-inspired sound. New Galfer rear brake disc, lighter and more efficient for improved stopping power. Nilos seal on lower steering bearings, enhances durability by keeping out mud and dust. 3. Engine and performance. Powered by a 478cc DOHC, 4-valve, fuel-injected engine with bore times stroke of 98 times 63.4 mm. Electronic fuel injection, VITESCO, for sharp throttle control and fuel efficiency. Electric starter with a 12 volts lithium battery ensures reliability in all conditions. 4. Frame, suspension and handling. Semi-perimeter chrome moly steel frame, strong yet lightweight. KYB suspension, 48 mm front fork, 300 mm travel, and rear shock, 330 mm travel, tuned for enduro performance. 9.8 L fuel tank, enough for long trail sessions. 5. Brakes, wheels and dimensions. Brembo brakes, 260 mm front disc, 220 mm rear disc. Excel anodized black rims paired with Michelin Enduro medium tires, 21-inch front, 18-inch rear. Wheelbase, 1,465 mm, seat height, 950 mm, ground clearance, 355 mm. 6. Electronics and controls. Digital DC CDI ignition with 220W alternator for stable electronics. Hydraulic multi-disc clutch and oil bath, providing smooth gear shifts. 7. Pricing and market. Sherco has positioned the 500 SEF Factory as a high-performance enduro bike with factory-ready features. US MSRP, around $12,799, plus $589 freight. Some dealers list it as low as $11,499 before taxes and fees. 8. Key specifications. Feature details. Engine 478cc, DOHC, 4-valve, FE, electric start. Exhaust full Akrapovic system. Suspension KYB 48 mm fork, 300 mm, KYB rear, 330 mm. Frame chrome moly semi-perimeter. Brakes Brembo 260 mm front, 220 mm rear. Wheels and tires. Excel rims. Michelin Enduro medium. Fuel tank 9.8 L. The 2026 Sherco 500 SEF Factory is built for riders who demand premium performance in enduro riding. With its factory-level upgrades, robust chassis, and refined power delivery, it's a competition-ready machine that also appeals to enthusiasts seeking an uncompromising adventure bike.